Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a FAQ section to your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to provide instant answers to common questions your visitors might have, improving user experience and reducing the need for direct customer support inquiries. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your homepage where you can manage all your website projects. Now look at the left side menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Website and directly beneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the website you want to add the FAQ section to by selecting it from the list. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you into the editor page where you can make changes to your website's design and content. Once you're in the editor, focus your attention on the top menu. Here, you need to find and click on Apps. This option will redirect you to the App Center, which is essentially a marketplace where Weebly hosts various plugins and features you can add to your site. In the search bar within the App Center, type FAQ. This will pull up the FAQ app designed specifically for creating question and answer sections on your website. Click on the FAQ app that appears in the search results, then click Add followed by Connect. This installs the app and makes it available for use on your website. Now go back to your Weebly editor page. Make sure that in the top menu you're on the Build tab, as this is where you'll be able to drag and drop elements onto your site. Next, decide where on your page you want to add the FAQ section. This could be on your home page, a dedicated help page, or anywhere else that makes sense for your visitors. Focus on the left side menu and locate the section element. Simply drag this element to the spot on your page where you want the FAQ section to appear. This creates a designated area for your FAQ content. Still on the left side menu, find Installed Apps. Your FAQ app should now be visible here since you just added it. Drag the FAQ app into the section you just created. This places the FAQ functionality directly into that area of your page. Once the FAQ app is in place, click on it to open the customization options. Here you can edit various settings such as the number of items to display, the overall style of the FAQ section, the title background color, and the content background color. These options allow you to match the FAQ section to your website's branding and design aesthetic. If you want to add a question, simply click on the question number field within the FAQ editor. This will allow you to type in your question, and you can follow the same process to add the corresponding answer. Repeat this for as many questions as you need to cover. And there you have it, you've successfully added a fully functional FAQ section to your Weebly website, making it easier for visitors to find the information they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.